Good morning children, welcome all of you to English class today. Before starting our class, let's recite Brahmanad. Close your eyes. Om. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Swastika. In this class, we will discuss a poem named The Accident. I have already taught this poem to you. Today we are going to discuss about it. In this poem, you will have two stanzas. You know it well. First stanza talks about a boy. Then second stanza talks about reader, means the second stanza tells about us. The first stanza talks us. He walked off the street with his head in the air. He didn't see the car, he didn't take care. He didn't look left, he didn't look right. He started to run, then he heard his friends cry, accident, accident, don't have an accident. I told you the summary of this poem in your class. I am going to tell you the gist in very brief. In brief, I will tell you the gist. What happens to a boy? He walked off the street when he arrived on the street with his head in the air, means unmindful. He was unmindful, he was inattentive while he came to the road. He directly came to the road without seeing anything, and he was absent-minded at that time. And he didn't see the car. He didn't see the car that was coming towards him. He didn't take care. Even he didn't take care of himself. He didn't check whether his life was safe or whether his life was in danger, whether he was going to hit by other people. He didn't take care. He didn't take care of himself. Then he didn't look left and he didn't look right. He didn't look left side or right side. He didn't look both sides. But one thing he did, he started to run. At that time, his friends shouted at the top of his voice that he was going to meet with an accident. But his friend wished that his friend might not have an accident. The second stanza is for you. The second stanza meant for you. The poet here conveys a message to the reader, those who are reading. It means the second stanza meant for us, for the reader. Stop, look and listen. While you are on the road, you stop at a moment. When you are going to cross your road, you stop at some point, and you look both sides, both left and right. You look upward and downward. Look. Then stop, take care. You stop and you take care of yourself, that you are safe or not. To make sure that you are sure, and then when you find no car is coming towards you, when no car is there, at that time walk, don't run. You find that the road is clear, no vehicle is coming, nothing is coming. At that time you cross the road. When the road is clear, you are good. Look where you are going, and you set your eyes towards the direction where you are going. At that time you cross the road. But you cross the road slowly and steadily, without running. Whenever you find that the road is clear, you cross the road slowly, steadily, without running. Only then you won't have to listen that you accident, you are going to meet with an accident. Nobody will tell you. So this is all about the stanza. I have already discussed it. So let us discuss how question comes in this poem. You will have to write answer in a word or in a phrase. You have to answer in a word or in a phrase. In a word or in a phrase. Then fill the gap. Fill the gap. Suppose I will discuss it later. Then some other work like instruction of each symbol. Instruction of symbol. Or opposite meaning. Opposite meaning. Then contracted form. Contracted form. You have to make contracted form of some sentence. Then negative. Turn into negative or positive. In this way question may come. Second, past form of certain form. Write the second form or past form. Write the second form or first form or second form or past tense of certain form. Let's discuss the question answer that you have to write in a word or phrase. Let us discuss about it. Question may come, suppose what does in this poem, what does you in this poem stand for? What does you in this poem stand for? You in the poem refer to or stand for. You will write, you means what? Only you write readers. You don't have to write in sentence. What is the poem about if the question comes? What is the poem about? What is the poem about? Write in a word or phrase. The poem is about how to avoid accident. Or the poem is about accident. Whatever you write. How many persons are there in the stanza? First stanza. How many persons are there? How many persons are there in this stanza? You have to write a friend, a man who was watching and he saw his friend was going to meet an accident. Two persons. In the first stanza, two persons are there. Who walked up the street? A boy walked up the street Who walked up the street? 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 A boy walked up the street. In this way, question will come. You will have fill in the blank. Suppose question may come, he walked up the dash. Street, road, path, all carry the same meaning, but you have to write the exact word what has been written on your text. Means you have to write what? You have to write he walked up the dash. You have to write your street. तमन स्ट्रीट न लिखी तमे रोड लिख दो, पाथ लिख दो, समान मीनिंग, बट स्ट्रीट न लिखि अलग जदि वर्ड कर दो ताले भूल राइट। एग्जैक्ट वर्ड जहां हमर बही रे अछि सेही वर्ड टाइ लिखे पड़े। ही वॉकड अप द स्ट्रीट आसीबो। ही डिडंट सी, dash. First mark, very important stanza. He didn't see the dash. He didn't look dash. He didn't look dash. Then he started to run. He didn't see the dash. He didn't look left. He didn't look dash. He didn't dash. He started to run. In this way, you have to put the correct word in the gap. Suppose in this way you will have options like right, left, car, wrong. He didn't see the car, the first comes here. Car, he didn't see the car. He didn't look left, he didn't look right. First comes what? First comes what? Left. Ago ba aslo. तापरे right aslo. तमे जदि पिला माने कि right लिखि कि left कर दो भूली. Left then right. Then he didn't see the car. He didn't see the car. He didn't look left. He didn't look right, and he didn't take care. Then he started to run in this way. He didn't look left. He didn't look right. First left, then right, then take care. Change करियो ने. जहाँ पर जो order अच्छे से हिसाब रे लिखियो. Then most important thing in this poem, you in the poem is used for dash. Question comes, you refers to the reader. You refers to the reader. Then you mark here, you have to fill the blank. Very, very important. He walked up the street with a dash in the air. Question may come. He walked up the street with his head in the air. He didn't see the car. He didn't look left. He didn't look right. He didn't take care. He didn't take care. He didn't look left. He didn't look right. He started to run. Then he heard his friends cry. In this way, you have to write. Then some past form of the verb may come in this poem. Let us discuss about it. You have to change the verb into past. Right? Children like you often make mistake. They commit mistake while making them into past. Walk. You have to walk. Sometimes question may come for you to write the past participle form may come. So walk, walk, walk. Then take. Some people, some children, they make silly mistake like take because they often do. Take, took, taken. Then look, start, run, cry, stop, listen, look. Past form look, past participle look. Started. Run, here children commit mistake. Run, they run do sometimes like they write ran and then RUN again. Past participle they make RA and ran sometimes. Cried, you have to omit the Y, then cried, ED, then cried, ED, Y. Reply amar pila likhchani REPLY reply no Y ki kati IED likhibo cried replied. Stop here children make a mistake. Stop double P stop listened then listen. Go, want, do. Go, went, gone. Want, wanted. Do, did, done. Question may come. You practice it well before exam. Then some sentence, mark two sentence, 47 page, you mark negative, the second is without not. Now write the following sentence like the first. He didn't take care. Negative flow you have to make positive. Negative flow. First example se bhi this company. Parikha asibada important bhi achi. He didn't very easy. Kintu pila tathapi bhul karante. He didn't see the car. He did not see the car. Didn't contracted form. He didn't see the car. Positive form में लिखे पढ़ो. Write the sentence in positive form. Without not. Write the sentence. Rewrite the sentence using without not. He did not. Not को हमें काटिले कौन हो ना सब्जेक्ट रहिला verb एटी कौन अछि ना सी अछि तार पास्ट फॉर्म को नहीं आसे. He saw the car. पिला माने एई सहज जिंस भूल करत. He saw the car. He didn't see the car. He saw the car. He didn't look left. He looked left. Past tense कर दो did not उठे दवा verb को past आनिया. He looked left. Same thing हमरो अछि he started to run. नेगेटिव अछि एटा दिटा नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव करी. पॉजिटिव थियो नेगेटिव करे he started to run. देखिया कोन अछि ना पास्ट टेंस अछि. नेगेटिव कले कोन करिया ना did not यूज करिवा. He did not. Past tense अछि ना प्रेजेंट सिंपल आनिया. He did not start to run. नेगेटिव थिले पॉजिटिव करिखार पडियो. पॉजिटिव थिले नेगेटिव करिखार पडियो. He heard his friends cry. एटा पिला बहुत तरह भूल करते. He heard his friends cry. कौन हम ना ही didn't hear his friends cry. He didn't hear his friends cry. Question comes. Then contracted form आसो परीक्षा रे his friends did not cry or he did not look his left. He did not look left. Contracted form करिवा he didn't look left. Very easy. Contracted form परीक्षा आसे contracted form. Same thing, he did not wait for the car. He didn't wait for the car. His friends did not cry. His friend didn't cry. The car didn't stop. The car didn't stop. The car did not stop. Didn't stop. He did not look his left. He didn't look his left. He did not look his right. He didn't look his right. He didn't wait for the car. He didn't wait for the car. His friend did not cry. His friend didn't cry. The car did not stop. The car didn't stop in this way. Then you have very important question that comes the opposite, but you don't make opposite of your own. You have to make the exact opposite antonyms word from the stanza. You don't have to put the opposite words of your own. तुमको जहाँ पढ़ी opposite word से stanza रे ता opposite जहाँ व्यवहार करते हो तमे मनु को तमे व्यवहार करिए तथा finished अछि suppose finished से पढ़ते राइट द opposite of finished जदि एटा past tense थिबो तमे past tense करियो finished जदि थिबो तम परीक्षा तम बिगिन नहीं करियो कि बिगिन लिखले भूली तो काहे ना तम पोएम रे अछि started अछि started to run मन अछि ये अछि started तमे सेति में started word लिखो अलगा लिखियो नाही then begin करियो begin रो opposite होछि stop take care होछि stop take care तेणुक एटी सेति begin अछि तेणुक तापर होछि go जिबा रहिबा stay तापर अछि go परे here stop look and stop there होछि there here opposite होछि there जोट गाड़ी देखिलो सेही रहियो सेही टारे रहियो there सेठी here opposite होछि there तापर अछि unclear if the road is unclear clear अछि रास्ता जदि क्लियर अछि क्लियर होछि unclear आमे तामे अलगा वर्ड व्यवहार करिया एई ऑपोजिट वर्ड सब व्यवहार करिया तापर सी मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग हमर परीक्षा रे गोटे सिंबल पडिबो से सिंबल रो मीनिंग देखियो तीन चारटा सिंबल देखियो कोटा को रिप्रेजेंट करियो तुमको ड्रा करियो पडियो पेंसिल कलम रे नाही किछ नाही चारिटा वर्ड देखियो एटा को सिंबल को से रिप्रेजेंट करछे स्टॉप पाई कोटा एमति परीक्षा रे पडतो स्टॉप पाई कोटा बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन पोएम रो आसीबो तमे किंतु भलो भाबरे पढी के प्रिपेयर होबार अछि एमति आसीबो एटा का अब तो एमति आबे तो वो सिंबलटा स्टॉप पाई ताको मार्क रखे बही रे एईटा को रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ईच सिंबल गिवन बिलो जोटा देइची एगुडी को सब गुडा को मन रखियो नले करि परिबनी एठी से कहउछ स्टॉप फास्ट गिव वे बाट छाडी आसी कहउछ स्ट्रेट प्रोविडेड नो एंट्री सीधा जाई परिबनी पेडिस्ट्रियन प्रोविडेड चाली चाली जाई परिबनी हॉर्न प्रोविडेड हॉर्न बजई परिबनी नो पार्किंग गाड़ी रखी परिबनी से साइड रे नो स्टॉपिंग और स्टैंडिंग के रही परिबनी बा छिड़ा ही परिबनी क्रॉस दिया जाई 50 स्पीड रो अधिक चढ़ी जाई परिबनी स्पीड लिमिटेड देन राइट हैंड कर्व डाहाण को बुलाणी अछि एट से सिंबल दे दीची तेन सेति सतर्क रे जीवा पड़ियो स्पीड न बढ़ई करी बा स्पीड जेति के जाउथो कमई दबा आगो को कर्व अछि बोली जानिबो लेफ्ट हैंड कर्व सेमति बामो को बुलाणी अछि राइट हेयर पिन एंड एमति पूरा बुलाणीटा एमति पिन भलिया बुलाणी अछि एमति लेफ्ट हेयर पिन बैंड भी सेमति अछि नैरो रोड अहेड रास्ता वाइडन नहीं संकीर्ण हो जाइछि नैरो ब्रिज संकीर्ण रास्ता अछि जे भारी जान हो कि वाइड कार ट्रक एगुडी जाई परिबनी एठु हम जानि दबा पेडेस्ट्रियन क्रॉसिंग बाइक धरिक हो कार हो व्हीकल हो कौन जापरें केवल चल चल ही जा पेडेस्ट्रियन क्रॉसिंग स्कूल अहेड पिलामानंई केयरफुल से हम्स भी थी पारे तेणु स्कूल अहेड बोली रोड साइड रे गोटे तुम सिंबल दिखाई मरा जाऊँगी स्कूल अहेड राउंड अबाउट पूरा बुलाणी पूरा पड़ो फ्लाईओवर जमी आम बुलुचे गोसाई नुआ गाँ पाखे जमी पूरा बुलुचे पूरा सेमती पूरा बुलिव टोटाल राउंड अबाउट डेंजर डीप आगु को गात अच्छी खात जोड़ा हम्स और रफ ये हम्स अच्छी बोली से दिखाऊँ मैन एट वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस गोटे साइड काम चलती टेम्पोरारी से रास्ता बंद अच्छे यही सिंबल गुड़ा सब मन रख तेणुक सिंबल दी चार्टा थी गोटे वार्ड देथिबो धर से देथिबो नो स्टॉप पाई को सिंबल देख चार्टा भीतर तुम निजे पेन रे ड्रॉ करिवो एटा पड़ियो इन दिस वे क्वेश्चन कम्स डिस्कशन सब शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन हमरो आउ रहउची कोन ना he walked up the dash he walked up the street he didn't see dash he didn't see the car he didn't look dash he didn't look left he started to dash he started to run एगुड़ी सब वीडियो रे मध्य पूरा गोटी गोटी करी छाड़ी बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन अच्छी तुम ताको पढ़िले आराम से कर परिबो he heard his dash cry he heard his friends cry तापर आसीओ you in the poem refers to dash you in the poem refers to the readers तापरे तमरो stop तमरो कोइ the second stanza of the poem accident is about how to dash the accident हे परियो how to avoid accident तेरा हमर ए पोएम रे जहा पाठ अछि you will get all the question answers जहा अच्छी ताको मन रखिया बहुत इजी पोएम अच्छी तेणु ए पोएम रो जेतिकी मार्क हमर आसीओ 5 मार्क 7 मार्क 10 मार्क जहा भी आसीओ तेणु सब बेले फुल रखियो चेष्टा करियो एटा बहुत सहज पोएम अच्छी तेणु समस्त भल भाव में प्रस्तुत हवा तापर जहा भी मु क्वेश्चन आंसर वीडियो रे सबुडा डिटेल भी आलोचना करिछि एबे भी सब कहले सेही क्वेश्चन भी तारि भितर ही पढियो सेही टाइप ही पढियो तेणु भल भाव प्रस्तुत जदि किसी डाउट भल मंद भी पढ़ला पर न बुझले मत आप कोचिंग रे कहि परियो फोन करी भी कहि परियो आज पोएम रिविजन क्लास सरला थैंक यू वेरी मच बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द एग्जाम once again wish you best of luck.